Radha Govinda, Srila Prabhupada, and all the assembled Vaishnavas. We wish to present before you all a wonderful drama called East Meets West. Here, we wish to portray three levels of consciousness: the animal, the human, and the divine. So, we request you all, kindly be seated, fasten your seatbelts, hold your breaths. We are going to start this drama. Ramachandra Raghuveer,
Ramachandra Raghuveera, Ramachandra Ranadhira, Ramachandra Mama Bandhu, Ramachandra Dayasindhu, Ramachandra Raghunatha, Ramachandra Jagannatha. Hare Krishna. We welcome all of you to this holy Dham of Talakona, which is the abode of the topmost Vaishnava, Lord Shiva, who always meditates on the holy name of Lord Ram. And you know, today is very joyful day for me, because after a very long time, my son Ramakrishna is coming here to meet me from America, and he is coming here today only. I am very happy for that, and he may come at any time. Come at any time.
RK, Dad, RK, Dad, you know RK,
RK, are you PK?
Ramakrishna, Dad, Ramakrishna.
Ramakrishna,
Yes, Dad.
you changed a lot. You changed so much after going to America. What is this RK?
Ramakrishna, Dad, Ramakrishna.
Ramakrishna, oh Krishna, I gave you such a wonderful name, but you became RK? What is this RK, PK, GK? Anyways, you even forgot the culture of touching the feet of your father.
Okay.
Oh Krishna, oh Damodara. Okay, my heart is feeling so happy after seeing you. So let's come and sit here on the banks of this Talakona waterfalls, which is the head, which is considered to be the head of the Lord Adishesh. Now sit, we'll discuss something. Yes, my son Ramakrishna, I think, did you travel yesterday, right?
Yes, Dad.
Oh, very well. I hope you are not tired, and you also.
It went very smooth, Dad.
Oh, very nice. And how is my daughter-in-law? And her name is
Lucy. No, Lakshmi.
Lakshmi. And where are my grandsons? What is his name? Grandson?
Sunny.
Sunny? You named him Shani?
No, sorry. Sunil.
Sunil. Nice. Sunil. Okay, my dear son. And why you only came? Why you should also bring them also, na?
Dad, they're all engaged in the walks. They're very eager to come, but I only didn't.
Oh, Krishna. And my dear friends, in this forest, there are many animals are roaming here and there. And yesterday also, that Srinivas Prabhu, where is he? He saw one bear and snake also here. So all of you be careful. And one most important instruction for you all, wherever you want to go, inform your mentors, and then only you leave the place. And again come back and report them. And we are also seeing many monkeys also here. And where is that monkey? Oh, see this monkey. And this monkey wants some food, I guess. So, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. See, they are fighting. They are fighting for one idli. See, this is the life of these monkeys. But whereas the human beings, we are sure that whatever the prasadam we are eating, it is sure that it will go into our belly. But it is not sure that these poor monkeys, even though the food may get into their hands, but it won't get into their stomach. That is the poor condition of these creatures. And also one more major important thing, it is the important principle which we have to follow, that it is the main responsibility of grihastha dharma to maintain such poor creatures by feeding them like that. And so now we had seen, and you also remember the glorious days where your mother was alive and she used to cook for us, both of us, with her own hands, with very love, care and devotion. So she cooks for the pleasure of Lord, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And you know, in those days I used to return back from work, and at that time we used to work 4 hours for 4 months in a year. But later industrial revolution came, and at that time people used to work 8 months per year and 8 hours per 8 months. And later, after this IT field came, 12 hours per 12 years in the whole year. So there is no much time to spend with family and all. So not even proper time to take food also. So, and even in those days, your mother, after cooking, she used to offer to the Supreme Lord with her hands, and later she used to serve both of us the prasadam after offering the bhoga. Then, after chanting the prasadam prayers, we used to honor the prasadam. And you remember, your mother used to take prasadam after we both of us take. So she is so much sacrificial in those days. And later, next, now I described how the eating process in the Vedic life is there. Now I want you to share me how are you variety of dishes you are having in your America.
So you want to know how I'm eating America, Judge? Okay, then let's get to flashback.
Now let's go to Las Vegas, the home of arcade in US. What's happening there? And here comes his son, Sunny.
Dad, I want lunch. I want breakfast. It is becoming hungry for me, please.
Hey Sunny, what's the date today?
Today is, I think, Tuesday.
Hey, are you going to school or not? Today is Monday.
Oh, yes, Monday.
So whose turn is on Monday?
Monday, whose?
That is your mother's turn to cook. You don't ask her, you idiot. My duty is tomorrow.
Mom, where are you? Hey, your wife is not responding me. Please call her your wife.
Hey, Sunny, don't you know how to call your mother? Listen, come here. Hey, Lucy, my darling Lucy.
Why you are calling me like that? What do you want? I know today is my turn to cook, but you should know that I have so many meetings to attend. I have so many presentations to do. So today I don't want to do cooking. And you give him some money, and he will eat outside.
Money. Please give me money, Dad. I go for canteen.
Okay.
It's becoming late for me. Please give me. What, Daddy?
Hey. What's this? Hey, Lucy, my darling. I know, definitely you cooked for me. Could you please serve me?
You? Not certainly. You also go outside and eat. And don't forget, bring me for me also. Okay?
What is this?
Now RK is going the monster famous restaurant called KFC.
Welcome to our restaurant. KFC. Please take your seat, sir.
Thank you.
What would you like to eat, sir?
So, can you please explain the menu? Pizza, burger, noodles. What are these items? Okay, let me bring some noodles.
Here, sir. Here you go.
Thank you. Hey waiter, please bring the bill.
Yes, sir. Here it is. It's just $99.99.
$99.99.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take this. What man? What do you want?
Sir.
Do you want burger?
Sir.
Understood. Take this.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Visit us again.
I will not at all visit again. Go.
Now present day.
Fast food, slow food, street food, and what are all this? You should understand, Ramakrishna. Food is the gift of nature, and nature is Prakriti. Prakriti belongs to Krishna. Thus, whatever the food we are getting, everyone has to offer it to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, Sita, Ram, or Lakshmi Narayan. And one who doesn't offer that food to the Lord, it is stated as Bhunjate te tvagam papam yache pachanti atma karanat. So it has mentioned like those who doesn't offer the food to the Lord, he will ultimately eating the sins only. That is why patram pushpam phalam toyam, and also whatever we are eating, other items, we should also offer those things to the Lord. Ultimately, it is our first priority to offer to Lord. Then only we are allowed to take the remnants, and later we should have those remnants. Otherwise, we have incurred a great amount of sin. And here there are many creatures also, many jivas here, wandering here. And what is the time?
It's 10:30 yet.
Oh, regularly by this time there should come one donkey here. Where is the donkey? Oh, see this donkey. It will come every day. Be careful, it will kick also. And now it is trying to sleep here. You know, by this time it used to bring some laundry by this time, but still he is sleeping here.
Gaddu!
Krishna.
Gaddu! Where are you, Gaddu? Oh, my donkey. You are sleeping here? You are supposed to do the laundry up to 12 o'clock. What is time now? Wait, I will show you the theater.
See, from the life of this donkey, we can understand that even it goes to wherever it goes for shelter to take some rest, it is beaten up and it is driven away by everybody. But on the other hand, if we see the human beings, we are having the great privilege of having shelter of our homes where we can rest peacefully after working throughout the day. Now we have seen the difference between the animals and these humans, and even now there is one more great thing you have to remember. Do you remember when your childhood days we used to go to the nearby temple, all of our family, me after returning from work, we all together going to the temple of the Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, Hanuman and Lord Lakshmi Narayan, and we'll go there. After going there, we'll be present for Sandhya Aarti, and you enthusiastically you used to play kartals and mridanga very nicely at that time. And do you remember all these things, Ramakrishna?
I don't remember anything that.
Oh, and we used to dance in kirtans also. It's very enthusiastic. And after dancing, we used to have the wonderful Krishna Prasadam, which is so much delicious. And after taking Prasadam, we all together return back to our homes. And after returning home, again we will sit together for some time and we will discuss the most very nectarian pastimes of Sri Krishna from Srimad Bhagavatam and your favorite Jagannath pastimes, which are very nectarian. After hearing these Krishna Katha and Krishna pastimes, you will be floating like in the ocean of Krishna consciousness with all those wonderful dreams. You will have a wonderful rest and sleep. Now you understand how in Vedic days we used to sleep. Now I just want to know how you are taking your rest and all everything. And I also heard that you are working in software industry and IT companies where they make you work like around 14 hours or 16 hours. Are you doing like that?
Sometimes more than that.
So Govinda, then I should know what exactly happening there. Kindly tell me, my son.
You want to know?
Yes.
Then again, let's go to flashback.
Again to the Las Vegas. Here comes again the Sunny.
Okay, Martha.
He's dancing with the music and not forgetting about his family and all. And Lucy is busy. And
Yeah,
this
yeah.
Ramakrishna,
Yeah, I mean-
he's knocking the door from past half an hour.
Hey, Sunny.
It's so wonderful.
Hey, Sunny. Yeah, where are
You
they?
didn't
Lucy.
know that?
Hey, Lucy.
I went there now.
Hey, I have another spaghetti.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Sunny, my dear son, Sunny. What is it? Hey, Lucy, my darling Lucy.
Eh.
Huh?
It is disgusting.
Disgusting.
Hey, no, I'm not, I don't told you. Actually, I was talking to my servant.
Servant? See, I am working like a donkey day and night for them, but they made me a donkey. What is this? I think I should consult a doctor. I have to go fast.
Here comes.
Hello? Yes, I'm. Hello? Hello? Yes.
Phone came. Dr. Phillips?
Hello.
Is it Dr.
Hello.
Phillips?
Yes. Hello, I'm Phillips. Yes, who is speaking?
Is it Tubelight Phillips?
Yes, I'm not Tubelight Phillips. I am Dr. Phillips.
I want your appointment.
Who are you? Ambani?
No.
No, I don't have time for Ambani. Even Elon Musk is waiting for me. Put the call now. Get up. Disgusting fellow.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, come. Please sit. What's your problem?
My body is shivering. My hair is standing on the end. Tears are flowing from the eyes. And I am unable to hold the suitcase also. And even I am not able to type the in computer also.
Oh no, this is big problem. You're going to die. Definitely you're going to die.
Sir, sir, don't you say like that, sir. Sir, please, sir. Sir, I want to leave, sir.
Don't worry. So, even beautiful ones, they wanted to jump out of window. But you know what? I saved them. Don't worry. I will take care of you. So what is your name? I have to fill the form.
RK.
What? RK? Tell me your full name.
You want full name?
Yes, your full name.
Okay. Ramakrishna Reddy.
Ramakrishna.
చింతలూరి రామకృష్ణ రెడ్డి.
Chintaluri.
చింతలూరి నందనూరి రామకృష్ణ రెడ్డి.
Chintaluri.
చింతలూరి నందనూరి కందుకూరి రామకృష్ణ రెడ్డి.
Chintaluri. No, you continue. You continue. Tell me your whole voter list. I will write. You continue. Continue.
No, sir. This is my name, sir. My name.
Tell me your name. Your name.
My name, sir. That is చింతలూరి.
Hey, stop. Tell me your original name.
Original name. Okay. రామకృష్ణ.
Ramakrishna. Okay. So I will give you counseling.
Oh, thank you, sir.
It will cost around $1,000 just.
$1,000?
Yes. And for registration you can pay $300.
300.
Yes. And for appointment you can pay $200.
$200.
Yes. There you can see one nurse now. Yes. For her makeup you can pay $500.
For her makeup also I need to pay.
Why? Definitely you have to pay, na? Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
do you know that I am from India? So there are more specialist doctors than you.
Than me?
Yeah.
Who?
So they are called as Babas.
Babas?
Yeah. Babas.
I never heard of it.
I will tell you.
Okay.
Do you know what they do?
I don't know.
They will do this simple thing. All the pains will be gone.
Oh?
Can I show?
Yeah?
See properly.
Okay.
See, huh?
Okay.
See. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another thing is there. Do you see there? There is one big light.
Yes.
You have to see there only.
Yes. Yes.
And now see there.
Yes.
Beautiful light. See there only.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Bye.
Hey, my face! Hey, my face, man!
Now let's come back to the banks of Talakona waterfalls.
Oh Krishna. That means we have to visit psychiatrist also.
Yeah, Dad.
In India, people visit psychiatrist when they are suffered from any mental sickness and all. But what is this Kali Yuga? Even people are going to different places for sleeping. And I also heard that in your America, there are some sleeping homes where people, if they won't get sleep at their homes, they used to go to that artificially made sleeping homes and take rest. And that too, just because they are not getting the sleep, they are spending thousands of dollars for those sleeping homes and sometimes 2,000 also. But what is the use in this? And now, if you see, there are the animals which are coming. The dog which used to come here. Where is that dog?
Oh,
And
dogs also.
see that female dog.
Female dog.
And see that male dog is also coming behind this female dog. And see there is another bigger dog. And see this male dog wants to mate with her that female dog. But see this bigger dog. These both are quarreling in order to mate with her. See, eating, sleeping, defending, and for even mating also, they are fighting for each other to do all these things. They doesn't have any facility. Yes, they even does not have any facility of marriage also. But we, the humans, we have the facility of marriage, which is also said to be Vivaha Yagna, where we are going to accept a religious wife and have a Krishna consciousness children. And while performing this Krishna centric and Krishna consciousness family life, we can completely maintain our human life purposefully in order to go back to Godhead. So it is the proper recommended thing in Shastras also. And one who does not follow the Shastras, and until and unless he won't apply those principles of Shastras in their life, he doesn't going to be happy in this life and also in next life also. And for that he should follow the scriptural injunctions purposefully. Now, just I am feeling very difficult to ask this. How your family life is going there in America, and is your son happy, and is your wife happy? Are you all happy? Please tell me. Don't hide anything, my dear son.
Okay, Dad. Let's see.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Here comes Lucy to her office, and she is meeting her boss in the office.
Oh, Lucy, you. Normally, for general people, they are welcome. It's because you're always welcome. Please come in.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, you asked about this file, na? I came to submit you. Here, I recorded all the records, what you asked, sir. And here you see, na, this photograph.
Very
This
good,
I
very
perfectly, I only clicked this photograph, sir.
Oh, really?
I have made all statistics ready, sir.
Oh,
And it will be best, sir.
yeah. See, you know one thing? I really love you.
Sir?
Oh, wait. Once again. Sorry. I really loved it.
Oh, I actually love
Very
it, sir.
wonderful presentation, huh?
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Can I leave?
Okay. Lucy, wait for a second. Come. What, yaar? You just now came, talked with me 2 minutes. That's it. Completed. I'm your boss, no? You have to talk, no? Please, take your seat.
You want me to sit here, sir?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Sit. Arey, why distance, yaar? Come closer. This much distance is okay. So, tell me something. You have a husband, right?
Yes, sir. He's a fool.
See, he is really a fool. How much he is earning right now?
Around $5,000.
Cheap, very cheap. Only $5,000 in this time. And how much this beautiful dress is earning?
Around $10,000, sir.
Wow, 10,000. That means 10 plus 5 is 15, right?
Yes, sir.
You know how much I am earning?
Around 30 to 35.
No, $40,000.
Oh my God! $40,000.
See, you know, 10 plus 5 is 15.
Yes, sir.
That means you and your husband coupling means 15. But you know what is the meaning of 40 plus 10?
Oh no, sir.
Shit, man. How should I tell it? Okay, consider. Your husband is earning 5,000. You are earning 10,000. You both mix it. How much it will become?
15,000.
Similarly, I am earning 40,000. You are earning 10,000. Both mix it. Did you understand?
No, sir.
What, girl? Now also you should not understand. I'll come to point directly. I don't want to change this. Can we get married?
Sir, I'm already married, sir. And you're also married, and you have children also.
There's no problem at all. See, you can give divorce to that waste fellow. He is worthless. I'll also give divorce to my wife. And we both can marry and make children. We'll make a big family.
Sir, actually, I need some time to think about
What
it.
time you want? This much big offer I am giving now. Okay. Take your own time, huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Lucy. Wait a second, Lucy. See, my proposal is always open. And my heart is also always open for you. Please understand.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Say, Lucy.
Oh my God, lot of.
Hey Lucy,
Yes,
what's time now?
we have this much of watch and this big eyes. Don't you see?
I am not asking that. Now it's 12 a.m. What are you doing up to this in the office?
Hey, you shut up, Ray. What you want?
It's 12 a.m. in the office and you are coming now. I know that you have an affair with your boss.
How dare you to speak like this? I have so many presentations to do and lot of meetings to attend. And you are claiming that I am fraud?
Sunny, go to room.
He's a waste fellow.
Lucy, don't make me angry. Why are you being in an affair with your boss?
How dare you to speak like this? Okay, who told you?
Your friend, Juicy.
Juicy? Wait a minute. How do you know Juicy?
Juicy, that's none of your business.
I see. That's none of my business.
It's not your business to ask that. First tell me why you have affair with your boss.
What proof you do have?
Your friend Juicy only. She told me that you are having an affair with your boss.
Is it See our son. He is our son.
Who told? See, I only from first onwards I am having the. See, hey, you Sunny, come here. See, this face this face is looking similar. Huh? We are looking similar. I know. He is not my child. I know.
How dare you to make a wrong affair with me? No. You, who is paying the fees of Sunny? I am paying for it. Who is paying rent for this home? I am paying for it. Who is getting grocery? I am paying. And who is paying your EMA for the car that every day you drive? I am. And moreover, this is my home. And if you want here, you can be. But if you don't, get lost. And you're a waste fellow. You can't be like me. Useless donkeys.
Dad, do you know one thing? Tomorrow is my parents' meeting in my school.
Huh?
It is very mandatory to come.
Parents meeting?
Yes.
Okay, I will go.
Mom,
I
there
will
is
come
mom.
go.
Mom, tomorrow there is parents' meeting in our college.
Go.
What? Dad, please come. It is mandatory. What you? Sure.
Take the photo.
Sir. Wait, sir. Sir, smile please. Huh? What is this? Sir. Madam. Hello, Babu. See, are you a family or what? Sir, please come closer.
First take photo and get out from this place.
Cheh, always taking my mood off. For these fellows I came, world's best photographer I am. They have called me. But see how they are sitting. See, for this my storage is wasted.
Krishna, Govinda, O Narayana, O Mukunda, my dear son Ramakrishna, don't cry, sit. Now I understood everything. See, now this world is called as Dukkalayam Ashashwatam. There are miseries as people are finding out their happiness in temporary things. That is why, for sure, they are suffering. Even they doesn't know that they are suffering. So, but we have to follow what our ancient people, our scriptures says, and moreover, we should follow some principles like, fish. If we remove the fish from water, what happens to it? Will it be satisfied by giving it vada, kachori, rasamalai, gulab jamun? Or will it be happy by giving it laptop, palm top and smartphone? Or will it be happy by playing PUBG, Free Fire and all these things? No, never. And similarly, we are also not belongs to this world. We are coming from spiritual world, the eternal abode of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and our original consciousness is Krishna consciousness. We should always develop Krishna consciousness by engaging our senses in the Krishna's service, and that is why we should always lead a God-centric life. And come with me, you should also follow some family principles. All of you say along with me, family that stays together, family that prays together will stay together.
Family that stays together will play together.
Family that prays together will stay together.
Family that prays together will stay together.
Family that sings together, it clings together.
Family that sings together will cling together.
And family that dances together and advances together.
Family that dance together, advances together.
And in India, there are many Krishna consciousness centers are there, and even in our Tirupati also, there is very beautiful ISKCON temple. Why not you look your job there and you lead a wonderful Grihastha life there by joining in the congregation? And even not only in Tirupati also, there are many colleges where we are having many centers which are very helpful to you. For all those upcoming people also, just like us, they will also follow the Krishna consciousness path and make their lives very fruitful and successful without suffering to this material illusion. And Hare Krishna, I hope you will do that. And I also find her for you. Nothing, don't worry, we'll be together again.
Thank you, Dad.
Our ancient families. Hare Krishna.
Haribo! Can we get a big round of applause for the drama? So now I would like to introduce Ramakrishna. It is Chinni Krishna Prabhu acted as a role Ramakrishna, and Charan Prabhu played as a father for Ramakrishna, and he has mugged almost all the dialogues, big dialogues. Comparing the script, he is the one having big dialogues and slokas. And comes Lucy. If you see her, the hair they have brought is the threads and the cap is the plate. So arranged very beautifully. Thank you, Lucy. And comes Sunny. Nitin Prabhu acted as Sunny and also Animal. And next comes Shikhar Prabhu. He's played as a boss for Lucy Company and also Animal. Next comes Setu Madhav Prabhu, acted as Animal, Donkey and Monkeys, etc. Then comes the old family, old Ramakrishna family. Sai Krishna Prabhu, Srinivas Prabhu and Ganesh Prabhu. And comes our doctor, Ravadipati Prabhu. So, can I get the one big round of applause for all of them? Haribo! Yes, Prabhu. Thank you so much. Thank you.